everybody. Today we're going to take a look at the Wingsland X1. Let's look at it. It's one of those phone flyers that I hate. Okay, I hate these things, so I'm shipping this off to Donnie. This is going to be in Donnie's package, okay? I'll let him hate on it. Okay. Let's take a look. The packaging's sure cool. I'll give it that. There's the quadcopter. Now, there's not a lot to this, okay? But it does have this unique way of the prop guards that you have to spin them around like that to open them up, which is kind of weird, but I guess that way you won't lose them. But you have to make sure you press down on them or they won't clear the props. They'll rub on the prop. So after you get it open, make sure you press down on them like that so they're not rubbing up on the props. And just make sure the props are nice and free before you decide to take off with it. And it comes with your standard fare, you know, the micro USB cable, some stickers. I didn't even see a manual in here. I didn't take the rest of the box apart, but I mean, you know, who knows? So there's no manual, okay? That's all I know. No manual. The props fit, I guess, down in this little thing down here in the bottom. There's a little slot there for the props to lay in. There, they sit in there like that. And here's the prop removal tool and the cord. And basically that's it. Then here you got the micro USB connector where you plug that in to charge the battery. And when you plug it in to charge the battery, the light will turn blue. It'll flash blue, okay? Then you plug it in, you plug the micro SD or the micro USB cable in, and it'll flash blue, and then when it's done charging, the lights will just go completely out. There's the little front-facing camera. Here's the battery itself. It's a 3.7 600. Okay, there it is. I'll throw a zoom on that so you can see it a little better. 3.7 600. There's the optical flow sensor right there because it has, you know, position hold with the optical flow. And then there's like a little auxiliary port right here for you to add, you know, whatever little options that you can buy for it. Now it does have this nice exposed Wi-Fi antenna, so it should be able to catch you some Wi-Fi on that. So we're going to plug it in and then fire up the phone. I think the password for it is just Wingsland. It says Wingsland X1 Air. Here's the Wingsland X1 Air app. And just hit go. And there you go. You see it right there. It says connected. Aircraft shaking. Yeah, aircraft shaking. I'm moving the aircraft, okay? Let's just set it down here. Good thing it has prop guards because I'll probably crash at least a minimum of one time. Let's go check the settings on here. Low speed, middle. Let's just go into middle speed. Okay, we'll take that. There's the connection option there. I don't need to do the calibration. I think I did it at least once already. There's the photographs. We'll take one of them. Makes a nice loud noise. Okay, let's switch to video. And let's just start the video, just in case. I have no idea what kind of battery life this thing has. But, you know, it's optical flow over that brown carpeting, so, you know, that's always fun city. Now, I don't know if it has that where you can, you know, tilt the phone. I don't think that this has that. Your battery level is low. Okay, so I stopped the recording. Okay, so there you go. I thought I charged the battery. Obviously, I did not. So, but you know what? I don't care. Okay, I care so little about this thing that I don't give a crap that I didn't charge the battery enough. I'm sending it to Donnie. Let him charge the battery and fart around with it. I don't give a crap about this thing. So, there it is. My first and only video with the Wingsland X1. It's a real beauty. Okay, guys. I don't know what the battery life... You have to wait till Donnie does his review, and you can find out what the battery life is. All right, guys. Have a nice day.